man. Even though I literally wrote skip this, you still clicked, right? Why? Don't worry, don't panic. This is exactly how the human mind works. So, since you're already here, give me 2 minutes and let's learn something fascinating about why you couldn't resist clicking this video. And yes, I know, it's just a black screen. You've been staring at screens all day, so I don't want to stress your eyes anymore. Just keep your phone down, close your eyes if you want. You don't need your eyes right now. I just need your ears and your curiosity. Our brains are wired in a funny way. When someone says, don't look, don't click, or don't think about it, that exact thought jumps straight into your mind. This is called the ironic process theory. When we try to suppress a thought, our brain makes it stronger. That's why when I say don't imagine a pink elephant, well, too late. It's already there. This isn't random, it's survival. Our ancestors survived because they were curious. If someone said, don't go into that cave, some people still checked and sometimes found food, shelter, or safety. That curiosity kept humans alive, and that same instinct is still in you, pushing you to click don't open videos. And here's the fun part. Curiosity doesn't just trick you. It actually improves your brain. When you're curious, your brain releases dopamine, the same chemical that gives you motivation and focus. Studies show it helps you remember more, learn faster, and even solve problems better. Curiosity literally makes your brain sharper and healthier. So next time you can't resist clicking on something that says don't, remember, it's not weakness. It's actually one of the superpowers that made humans the most advanced species on this planet. And hey, before you go, don't subscribe. Seriously, don't. Because if you do, you might end up getting even more of these strange little mind experiments. And you already know what happens when someone tells you don't, right?